Uh, so overall, digital marketing is a platform which is exclusively used to promote product or services. Correct. Okay. So digital marketing course. Okay. If you have any doubts in between, you can note it down. You can ask me. Okay.
Okay.
I strongly encourage you to ask doubts immediately. Don't wait till the opportunity to ask doubts. Okay.
Okay.
Number one.
Sure.
Number
Sure.
two, whenever you raise a question, okay, I will give priority to the question, not to the topic. Okay. We need to
Okay.
ensure that we don't get diverted or taken away from the main topic by raising questions. Okay, you can
Okay.
raise questions as a healthy practice, not at all a problem, but if we find we are deviating from the topic, then we have to make sure that such please come back to the topic.
Okay.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
Yeah.
so digital marketing, as usual, as I've already said, digital marketing is a practice of promoting a product or a service using any internet based platform. Any internet based platform, if you take, this is how I define. Okay, so the digital marketing is a practice of promoting a product or a service using internet based platform, using internet based platform. Okay, now the two major part in digital marketing are two major contributors, I can say. One person is a search engine, one person is a search engine, and another person is a social media. You are getting a point? Okay, one person is a search engine and another one is social media. These are all the two major platforms that are used in internet. Okay, you take anybody, no, you take anybody, they either go ahead and search something online using a search engine. Let me say Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, and even YouTube. Okay, so now if you see,
Okay.
we know Google and Yahoo, but rarely we hear about Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, or not, right? Now YouTube is a video search engine, Google is also another search engine. Okay, now what people do, they spend maximum of their time either using a search engine to search something or research something. Correct?
Okay.
People
Uh,
spend more time on search engines like to explore or research about the information that they need. So basically search engine, correct? So they generally search in the online platform. Okay, so
okay.
they
Now it is clear.
okay, they will generally search something on online. Anyway, they are spending their time, correct? Now when it comes to social media, okay, now people spend time on social media also. What do they do on social media? Like, people spend time on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube to spend time chatting with friends and connecting with people, family members, and even strangers too. So people will generally connect with each other using a social media platforms. And few platforms are like very famous platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, okay, Pinterest, YouTube. Correct. So these are all social media platforms. I'm going to tell you the difference between the social media and the Twitter. I mean, social media and the search engine. Okay, so
Yes.
Instagram. So I have something called a Pinterest here. Okay, so and YouTube. Okay,
Uh, can I just have a recap?
yeah. Tell me what is the doubt here.
Yeah. No, I've understood. I just make you understand that. Now, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a practice of promoting a product or service using internet-based platform. That
Yes.
means I am generally going to promote my product through the internet. That actually is helping the organization boost the sales in terms of product, in terms of bidding, in terms of sales promotion, as well as to cater the leads, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this is the two process of having. That's number one is search engine. A search engine basically is through which people are going to search.
Yes.
For example, if I'm having a product, let's take cake. So I'm going to search it through the Google or through Yahoo, through Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, DuckDuckGo,
Exactly. So you'll be searching there out there in Google. Correct. Whatever you want to search.
that
Right.
is for search.
Yeah.
Okay. Social
So
media, the people will spend now 60 the time searching for the Facebook, for the Instagram, for the YouTube, Pinterest, chatting with friends and connecting, and through which we are boosting our sales by promoting product. Have I got everything correct?
wait. You don't need to be so serious enough to learn all this stuff. Right.
Okay.
First, we are going to gather knowledge, then we are going to implement. Right. So when you try to do it, you will understand everything. Don't worry about it. Okay. So there is no need
Okay.
to put, step by step, point by point action into learning this. Okay.
Okay.
Because I have not even started to teach you. We have just started. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Right. Okay. So basically, there are two major products. That's what you need to understand. One is a search engine, and another one is a social media. Okay. Now,
Okay.
few examples of search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, where people will go ahead and search something when they need something. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Social media is a platform where people will connect with each other, preferably. Okay. People connect with each other who are like-minded. Like-minded people who have same mindset, same idea. You are getting a point? Okay, people who have same idea, same mindset. Let me say, people who are interested in creating mobile applications, they connect with other people who are interested in mobile application. Correct. Okay. The
Okay.
nature or the property of a search engine. Okay, what does a search engine as a property? Okay, a search engine is a software program, is a software program that is designed to deliver highly relevant, most useful, most useful information at the shortest period of time. Shortest period of time. Okay, so there are three conditions which I am mentioning here. What is a search engine? Search engine is basically a software program, which is designed to do a repetitive task. Okay, right? Search engine is a software program that is designed to deliver highly relevant, most useful information, okay, in a shorter period of time, in very short span. Okay, let me say in less than a second. You're getting a point? Right, less
Yes.
than a second. For example, okay, you can go to the any Chrome browser you can look into. So we have a Chrome browser where you can go out and search. Let me say best digital marketing training in, let me say, Kolkata. Okay, now when I hit
Okay.
enter, remember, I am asking Google to give me information related to best digital marketing training in Kolkata. Correct.
Correct.
Now Google should give me information related to Digital Marketing Training Institute in Kolkata. Instead, if it shows information from Chennai, then I'll be fed up. Okay.
Okay.
It is supposed to show me information related to Kolkata. It cannot show me information from Andhra Pradesh. It cannot show information from, let me say, Jaipur or Delhi, Agra, something like that. I am asking for best digital marketing training in Kolkata. As a user, I am asking a Google search engine, give me information related to best digital marketing training institute in Kolkata. Hit enter. What does it say? It gives me highly relevant information. Can you see? There is one institute called KDMI in West Bengal, Kolkata. Correct?
Yes.
There is another institute called SEO training in Kolkata, no, again in West Bengal. So, do you believe that Google is giving me relevant information? Correct? It is giving me
Yes.
relevant information. So, the first point is validated. Okay. Now,
Okay.
look at the amount of time did Google take to show me the results. Okay. It has
Okay.
taken almost 149 lakh website results in just 0.89 second, less than a second.
Okay.
Got it?
This is the search engine.
Yeah, this is the time that is taken to check almost 149 lakh websites which is related to my keyword.
Okay.
And it has shown the result. It has taken only 0.89 second, which is not even a second. Correct?
Okay.
So it shows me the
Yes.
result faster. Correct?
Yes.
Quick, quick. Because nobody likes slow.
Okay.
Nobody likes the slow content. Okay. So quick. Now what happens? The second point is validated that Google displays results quickly. Okay. You getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. Now the third one is, was it useful to you? When I went ahead and saw about these results, whatever Google has given, it was useful to me because it was very relevant. Okay.
Yes. And within a second, it gave to me.
Yeah, useful to us also. Now the third point is also validated. So this is what basically search engine is. Okay. Okay. A search engine will display. It is designed to display highly relevant, most useful information quickly. You are getting the point?
Exactly. That means I searched for what is digital marketing courses in Kolkata. It gave me within a second. That is exactly the search engine which I have searched and found it exactly relevant and useful to.
Yeah, exactly. So if you change the different city, it is going to give you the information related to whatever the city you are asking for. Once you change it, correct?
Okay.
Okay. Now, so this is basically a search engine. So search engine is a software program which is designed to deliver highly relevant and most useful information to the user within a shorter period of time. Correct? Now, let me come back to social media. Now, what is a social media platform? Again, social media platform is also another software program. Social media platforms, social media platforms are another software program which is designed, which is designed to connect with people who are like-minded, who are like-minded, people who are like-minded and create a network of fans. Okay, create a network of fans. Anybody can create a fan network using a social media platform. You are getting a point, right?
Yes.
Anyone can create their own fan network for free. You are getting a point?
Yes,
See,
sir.
in search engine, you cannot create your fans network. You create your fans network. Okay, indirectly search engine is not a platform to build your network, that's a platform to search. Okay, right. Social media can help you to build your own fans network. Let me say I'm a person who is related to digital marketing and its stuff. I can create people to follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram profile, so that when I'm continuously active on the social media platforms, the number of people who follows my profile increases. Correct?
Correct.
Right? 1,000 people, 2,000 people, 5,000 people. Let me say in a situation where I get 2 million people following me, when I broadcast a message, it reaches lots of people and the content goes viral. You're getting a point?
Correct.
Okay. So to be very precise and to the point, okay, search engine is used to reach people who are actually searching and researching. Okay, we can use search engine. You can use search engine to target people. Okay, you can use search engine to target people who are researching or searching for product or service, whatever it may be. They are searching online. Okay, when a user comes to a search engine, when they start searching, we can understand the intent behind the user. You are getting a point? Okay,
Yes.
people use keywords of their choice to search the search engine database. You are getting a point? Okay, people use
Yes,
keywords
sir.
of their own choice to search in search engine database. Okay, we can use those keywords. You can use or target. You can use or target those keywords and create content around the topic and drive them to our website. Make sense? What I'm going to do, when somebody is coming and searching for digital marketing course in, let me say, Kolkata, I'm going to create a content related to the topic digital marketing course in Kolkata. Okay, right? Now,
Okay.
when somebody searches in Google or Yahoo, Bing or search engine, there are lakhs and lakhs of websites which talks about digital marketing course in Kolkata. Okay, I will also create a content that is related to digital marketing course in Kolkata, and I will put it into my website also. Okay,
Okay.
now Google may prefer my website and show it to people.
Okay.
Correct. So search engine is primarily used to target people based on the keywords, whatever they search. But social media,
Okay.
we cannot use keywords. Social media is used to target people based on profile. Social media
Okay.
platforms are used to target people based on their profile information like name, location, educational qualification, date of birth, travel habits, eating habits, entertainment programs, and so on. You are getting the point? Let me say
Yes.
Sudipto is sitting down in a different location and he is connecting with me over the digital marketing session. Oh my god, it is going in between. Okay, so this is social media
Yes.
platforms are used to target people based on their profile information like name, location, educational qualification. Okay, date of birth. Here is why I missed it. Okay, date of birth. So because when people create their social media profiles now, right, they give their first name,
Mm-hmm.
last name, their family member's name, their contact number, their where did they study, how did they qualify, and all those they give, right? right?
Yes.
So social media platforms is used to target people based on their profile information. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Let me say how Facebook will know that I am traveling from Chennai airport to, let me say, Delhi airport, because I will update my Facebook status. Hey, I am traveling from Chennai to Delhi. Okay.
Yes.
Have you seen people are marking their travel habits, traveling from this airport to that airport? Now that tells Facebook that this person is traveling from this place to another location. Okay,
Yes.
right? So the same way. So social media is a platform for networking, connecting with people. It works based on people profile. Make sense? Okay.
Yes.
Search engine is a platform to used for people to search online about their product or services need, and we target those search engine users based on the keywords that they use in the internet platform. Okay,
Okay.
so search engine is a platform to target people who search something, and the social media is a platform to target people based on their profile information. Okay,
Okay.
now both in search engine and also in social media we have a practice called optimization. Okay, okay, we have a practice called optimization, and another practice called marketing. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay. Now we are trying to understand what is optimization. Okay. And
Okay.
what is marketing? What is marketing?
Okay.
I'm going to break it down very simple. Okay. Let us go to Google and search for meaning of optimization. Make sense? What does it mean? Basically, optimization means the action of making the best or most effective use of a situation or a resource. This is what Google says. Correct.
Yes.
The action of making the best or most effective use of a situation or a resource. Let me say you have something in your hand and you make use of it. That is what we call it as optimization. Okay.
That
We
is
have an
that
internet
is
connection.
okay. That is optimum and the ultimate usage of the resources that I'm presently having in my hand in current situation or current scenario.
Yes. Okay. So let me
Okay.
say I mean we have internet connection, right? Right. So
Yes.
right now we are optimizing internet connection to connect with each other without traveling to Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Okay. Number one.
Yes.
The next thing is it's a lockdown time, so we cannot go outside, correct? We still take the time that we have to proceed further on the knowledge sector. So we are actually optimizing the lockdown.
Yes.
Because what does it optimization mean? It is the action of making the best or most effective use of a situation, because we are in a situation called lockdown, correct?
Yes.
Or a resource. What is a resource? Maybe your smartphone, your internet connection, your laptop, your computer. So these are all called resources, correct?
Yes.
Okay. The action of making the best or most effective use of a situation or a resource is called optimization. Okay. Now let me make it very simple. Okay, which is a resource here? We call search engine is one resource and social media is another resource, correct?
Yes.
Search engine and social media. Search engine and social media. So these are all the two products which we use in internet,
Yes.
right? One is search engine and social media are two resources we have to use for marketing. You are getting a point? Search engine and social media.
Correct.
Now, search engine has a property and social media has a property. Right. What is the property of search engine? Search engine will display results that are related to user's query. Correct. Search engine's property is to display highly relevant, most useful information to the user. This is the property of search engine. Correct. Now, the property of social media is to explore and connect with fans or network of people who are related to each other. Correct. Social media. So
Correct.
social media forms network. Search engine is a network of websites. So this is, we can say it. Search engine is a network of website. Social media is network of people.
Okay, noted. Search engine is the network of websites and social media is the network of people.
People.
Okay.
People profile, I can say. Correct. Now what happens? Okay. Search engine has a property. When we take search engine as a property, I mean as an advantage, okay, I can replace this
Okay.
statement now. I can rephrase this statement. The action of making the best or most effective use of a resource. And what is the resource? That resource is what is called a search engine. Correct. The
Okay.
action of making the best or most effective use of a search engine is called search engine optimization. Is called
Okay.
search engine optimization. Number one. Okay. Now the same thing when you do it with social media, this is called social media optimization. Okay. The action of making the
Yes.
best or most effective use of social media. Social media is called social media optimization.
Yes.
Social media optimization. So we have come out with two more terminologies. Number one is search engine optimization. Okay, and the next one is the social media optimization. You are getting a point?
Correct.
Okay, so we have come out with two more things. One is called search engine optimization and social media optimization. Correct.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
When you take the advantage of search engine platform, that is called the search engine optimization. When you take advantage of social media platform, that is called the social media optimization. Correct. Now basically optimization means making the best or most effective usage of a situation or a resource. Make sense? Okay. When
Yes.
you take the search engine as an advantage, that is search engine optimization. Okay. When you take
Okay.
social media as an opportunity or social media as an advantage, that is called social media optimization. Are you getting a point?
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Crystal clear.
I will come to the optimization part again by discussing information related to marketing. Okay.
Okay.
Now let us see what is marketing. Okay. Let us see the meaning of marketing. Okay. Meaning of marketing. M-A-R-K-A-T-I-N-G. What is marketing? Meaning of marketing. Now, marketing is the activity, set of institutions and the process of creating, communicating, delivering, exchanging offerings that have. Okay, so this is from ama.org. Okay, let me see any dictionary meaning. Okay, what does a
Okay.
dictionary says about marketing? Okay,
Okay.
meaning of marketing. Dictionary. Okay, let me see this. Wait, it's very slow. Is my data over? Might be. Okay, I think I got it. Even internet feels tired end of the day. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So generally, I know it because I have searched this meaning several times. Okay. So marketing is a promotional activity, preferably that involves a goal and a financial investment. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So it's a So I think I got it again.
Can you give me just a second to go to washroom? Just a second, sir, if
Yeah,
you don't mind.
sure.
Sure.
Are we connected, bro?
Yes, sir.
Are we connected?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, the audio is breaking basically. I don't know.
Yes, can hear you. Clear?
My audio clear to you?
Yes, yes, exactly.
But
Good.
but but your audio is breaking for me.
Just a second. Now I'm clear?
See, it's even breaking now also.